Hey friends, it's Lisa back with a new process video. Today I am creating a layout with one of Paige Evans' cut files, and I'm also using her Bloom Street collection. I don't know if it's only Bloom Street, we'll see. I'll let you know which collections they are if I use something else. I don't really remember. I used a cloud cut file and I will link it down below. So I started by putting gesso on my page and then let it dry, and now I'm coming in with my Prima Watercolors. This is the tropical set and I really love these colors. I wanted to have like a rainbow behind my cut file, so I'm using rainbow colors and I'm just like putting them really not randomly but really like messy on my page, and putting water on and then just some paint and everything, so it's just very messy. And I love to do this where I turn a page in every direction. It creates this faded look around the edges, so the edges are not crisp. I don't like that. And then I came in with the colors that faded away when I wiped up a little bit of the color in the water. So yeah, and as you can see, you can put a lot of color and it looks so vibrant and so saturated, but when you go back and use a paper towel just to pick up some of this water and color, it looks a lot more pastel and light. So yeah, I used every color of the rainbow. The blue you can't really see anymore, but it's not bad. It's cool. It's okay. Yeah, and then just turning the page again just to let the edges fade a little bit and to let the color run over the page. And then I come back when it's dry with every color, and I'm creating some splatters on each of the parts of the rainbow. And I really love the background. So then I let everything dry again, or I use my heat gun. Probably I use my heat gun because I'm really too excited to go on and I can't wait. And then I use my star stencil and a sponge and some white acrylics to create these stars. And here is the cut file I was talking about, and I hope I will remember to link it down below. And the cut file is really cute. I immediately had an idea in my head how I wanted to use this, and it turned out even better than expected. I was really happy with this layout, which I'm not always very happy. I'm most of the time I'm okay, but sometimes I'm really excited and I can't wait to show you. So yeah, I'm peeling off all of the pieces and I'm just placing it on the background to see how it looks. And I wanted to use the inner part of the clouds for some of the clouds because I think that's a very cool look. Then I thought, okay, what will I add? Do I add like a rainbow or a little cute animal, or I don't know. So, and then I came up with the idea to use a sun, because at school we have been creating this is a few months ago. We created like these super cute suns with rainbows, and I was really into that. So the sun with triangle sunbursts, and yeah, I really like that. So I used one of the pages from Bloom Street. I cut out these triangles, and I really love the look that it gives with this paper. It's like, you know, the windows in the churches, like, is it called Tiffany or something, this technique? I think it remembers me. It reminds me of that a little bit, and I really love the look. So yeah, I put all of my sunbursts on the sun, and then I wanted to try if I wanted to do a second row, but I will take these off again because it's too much. And I really wanted you to see the sunbursts. Yeah, I'm adhering my cut file, and I don't put tacky glue in every spot. I just put in a few spots so that some of the parts will be really adhered to the paper and stuck down, but some of the parts will just wop up, and it will have a little bit dimension. I don't like when everything is flat. Even when I don't use foam squares or something, even if I use the liquid glue, I love to do it in a way that the things don't adhere really very flat on the page. I put my sun, and then I am taking my clouds and putting them on my page, and I'm leaving 2 of the clouds out. Now when I look at this, I wish I would have left the third last cloud from the bottom. I would have left that one what can you call that, without the inner part, so that you would have seen the pink come through. But yeah, well, I didn't. And now it's done. I am piercing some holes in my sun to make some sorry, it's very soon in the morning, and very early in the morning, and I was on the phone in French with an architect just now, and I was like, okay, I can't speak French anymore. I was like, okay, I'm too tired to speak so many languages. I stitched my son. Yay! Woohoo! Found a word. Okay, so now I am using these watercolor papers from the Bloom Street collection, and I really love these papers. They are so cool to use with everything, and I think those are the papers that I use the most out of this collection. I'm just tracing some whimsical stars on some of the parts where the colors were different. So I have a purple one, this pinky purple one, and then a pink one and a orange one. So I have a few of the colors, and yeah, these papers are just, I love papers like that in the collections. You can use them for backgrounds, for creating super cool rainbows, and yeah. So here you can see, if you haven't yet, the process of me choosing my picture. And I have this pouch of photos where I go through and I just look for a photo that matches in style and color, and if I can find one, I will print a new one. And I will always print at least 2, so I will have one more in my pouch, and the pouch is filling up. And yeah, I don't care, doesn't matter. So here, yeah, like always, the tape was empty, so I had to replace it. Now I'm going through the same papers that I used for the stars, and I just rip off some some rectangles and some squares to mat my photo. And I love to do this technique where it's colorful and messy around the photo. And yeah, you have to use up a few of your papers, even if you only see the borders after everything is glued down, but I don't care. I have enough papers for the rest of my life, so yeah. I think this photo I printed out new because I couldn't find one from my printed photos, and this is a picture that we took when we went oh, hi kitty. When we went on, we had a wellness weekend in Germany, and so yeah, we took this photo when we took a walk around the lake. It was in February, before the whole quarantine thing. Then I'm using some more stars that I punched out from the same papers. I'm using a few bigger ones and then a few smaller ones, and I'm just scattering them around to give this page an even more magical look. And I really love this. I love the colors on this page so much. Yeah, the sad thing is that I will cover up this cute white yellow spot there, and I really love that color, but yeah, it gets covered up. And yeah, I'm just checking if my photo is straight, and then I use my white Posca pen to go back and create some details. I love putting white details on my little creations, and I think that it gives a very finished and yeah, finished and interesting look, and it has more dimension and everything. So the hello is a sticker from the Bloom Street collection, and then I go through the flowers and the butterflies, so the whole ephemera pieces from the same collection, just to see what I can use. And I will try to find a spot for this umbrella, and I will use it. I thought that it was just perfect for this layout with the sun and the clouds and the walk that we had. So the weather was okay, but it was not really good. It was not raining, but yeah, I thought that the umbrella was just so good with this layout. And I also wanted to have some pops of color with the flowers. And so yeah, I used some of the flowers and this little cute guy. And yeah, still looking for the right spot for the umbrella. And then I was taking off the flowers, putting them back, and just trying somewhere else, and just, yeah, I was like, okay, where will those work? Where can I put those? Then I cut off the leaves because I didn't want this green to show. I cut off the leaf, and I'm trying, yeah, I continued trying. And I think, yes, there I found the right spot for my umbrella. And I think I found the spots for my flowers too. Then I was looking for the rest of the title. I wanted to try the stickers from the collection, but they weren't really working because they have too many colors, and they are like this bloomy pattern, this floral pattern, and I didn't think it looked great on this layout. So the beautiful, like the puffy word stickers from this sticker sheet is just, they would have matched, all of them would have matched, because with this faded look with the colors and everything. It was just looking so good. So I used Hello Beautiful, and then I used some of the older gold thickers from an older Paige Evans collection to write the word day. So the title is Hello Beautiful Day, and it was quite beautiful. We had a lot of fun just walking around the lake and having conversations and stuff. And these are the girls that I go on vacations on the most, so we are a good vacation team. So yeah, we're almost at the end. I'm just creating some more splatters, and that's everything, guys. So I really hope you like this layout. I love it. I really love it, and I hope I will create one like that very soon. Have a very nice day. See you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.